Hey everyone, it's Michelle Metzner and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a Start Here folder and document in your Canvas Learning Management system. So let's get started. When you log into your Canvas system, you are automatically placed here on the dashboard. As you can see, the dashboard houses your published courses and your unpublished courses. I currently only have 2 unpublished courses, and so we're going to go ahead and hop into this one on the left in blue just by clicking on it. And when we enter our course, we're placed here on the home page. On my home page, you'll see down in the little table that I have a series of links. One of them is a Start Here link, but this link is broken. It is not active at the moment. So we need to create the page that corresponds to that link, and then we need to link those two together. So the way that we do that, we're going to start here in the course navigation menu on the left, and we're going to click on Pages. And we're going to click View All Pages up here. And then we're going to start ourselves a new page by clicking on the plus page icon in the upper right-hand corner. When we do that, we get this menu here. The first thing we need to do is to give our page a title. I'm going to type Start Here in all caps in order to get students' attention because it is in all caps. From there, I'm going to come down into the text editor and we'll just go ahead and click. And this is where we're going to type in all of the information that we want our students to know when they start the course. So I'm going to call this document Getting Started. So I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to come right here to this drop-down menu, and this will allow you to apply different heading levels. Okay. Now you'll notice heading 1 is not there. That's because the page title always defaults to heading level 1. So we're just going to call this heading level 2. And then we're going to come over here to our alignment tool and let's center that. And then we're going to come right here to our text color tool and click the drop down menu and let's choose that color. And so that is our Getting Started. That's our title. So when we hit enter, we'll see we're back here at the left. We're at the paragraph level. Our text is still blue, but we're going to leave that for just a second. And then we're just going to go ahead and start typing in some of the information that we need. And then I'll check back in with you in just a second. Okay, now that we've got all of our information typed in, let's go ahead and take a look at how we can format this so it's easier for students to read and so that it's easier for students with disabilities to read in case they have like a screen reader or something like that. The screen reader will know in which order to read some of these sections. Okay, so if you remember, this Getting Started was set at a heading level 2. We're going to go ahead and take our subheadings and highlight them and click up here in our blocks area and make these heading level 3. Okay. We can also change the color of these if we want to maybe a lighter blue than the blue that we used for the title, or we can make them a darker blue. We're going to go ahead and keep it a lighter blue. Now, unfortunately, we can't do these several at a time. We have to reformat each one just by highlighting it, changing the heading level, and changing the color. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go through all of these and change them all, and then I'll catch up with you in just a minute. Okay, we now have everything reformatted. So let's take a look and see what we did here. Okay, so we set our title for the page as heading level 2 because the title of the page is heading level 1. Okay, so heading level 2, We gave it a specific color. Then when we come down here, the next level of heading is heading level 3. So that's what these light blue ones are. And we change the color to light blue instead of the dark blue of this title here. And then within each section, or within this particular section, we also have additional subheadings. So these are listed as heading level 4 and bold. Okay, so heading level 2, heading level 3, heading level 4. And this pattern is carried throughout. Okay, so here's another heading level 3 right here. And here are 2 heading level 4s. Okay, so 2 subheadings within that one heading. And as we scroll down, some of these don't have subheadings like heading level 4s, and that's okay. This one happens to the course and institutional policies. This has a course section and an institutional section. And then here are the rest of them. So now that we have this all set, we're going to scroll down a little bit and click Save in the lower right-hand corner. And then we're going to come back here to View All Pages. And we will see that Start Here is one of our pages. Now, the other thing we have to do is we need to publish Start Here. So we can just click right here on the Publish button. And this makes this live to be linked to. Okay, so if we click Home, this takes us back to our home page. And remember, we have this button here that is not linked to anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in the upper right-hand corner and click on Edit. And in our text editor, we're going to scroll down so we can see our table. And then we're going to highlight Start Here. And then we'll come up to this link icon right here and click the drop-down menu. And we're going to click Course Link because we are linking to a page that's already inside the course. Okay, so click Course Link. And then we're going to come over here to Pages because remember, we set that information sheet up as a page. So we'll click the drop-down menu to expand Pages. And then we find Start Here. And then we click Start Here. And it automatically links to Start Here. Okay. So when we scroll down and click Save, and then we come back up here and hit the Home button, we see Start Here is now a linked page. And if we click the link, it takes us to our Start Here area. Okay, and it has all of the formatting that we just set up. All right. So that was just a real quick and dirty on how to set up a getting started page and link it to the home page. Okay, as always, if you have questions, please email me at michelle.metzner@wright.edu and I will be happy to answer them. Until next time.